Here are a few leadership formulas from the inspiring life of Swami Vivekananda. I will narrate a few stories to develop physical courage and few quotes of Swamiji. He says, the source of strength is soul. The unforgettable and invigorating message of Swami Vivekananda to all of us is to develop strength. What we need is strength. Who will give us strength? There are thousands to weaken us, and of stories we had enough. Every one of our Puranas, if you press it, gives us stories enough to fill three-fourths of the libraries of the world. Everything that can weaken us as a race we have had for the last 1000 years. Therefore, my friends, as one of your blood, as one that lives and dies with you, let me tell you that we want strength, strength, and every time strength. And the Upanishads are the great mine of strength. Therein lies strength enough to invigorate the whole world. The whole world can be vivified, made strong, energized through them. Swami Vivekananda's course on physical courage. Swamiji's message on physical courage calls for strength as well as manliness. Otherwise, strength is prone for misuse if it is used in heinous ways. Hence, Swamiji's message of manliness with strength implies the virtuous use of courage for one's benefit as well as that of others, and never for selfish reasons to harm the others. When this sleeping soul is roused to self conscious activity, Swamiji said, too much of inactivity, too much of weakness, too much of hypnotism has been and is upon our race. O ye modern Hindus, dehypnotize yourself, teach yourselves, teach everyone his real nature, call upon the sleeping soul and see how it awakes. Power will come, glory will come, goodness will come, purity will come, and everything that is excellent will come when this sleeping soul is roused to self conscious activity. According to Swami Vivekananda, each soul is potentially divine and has infinite capabilities. He said, do you know how much energy, how many powers, how many forces are still lurking behind that frame of yours? For scientist has known all that is in man. Millions of years have passed since man first came here, and yet but one infinite small part of his powers has been manifested. You must not say that you are weak. How do you know that what possibilities lie behind that degradation on surface? You know but little of that which is in you, for behind you is the ocean of infinite power and blessedness. Swamiji's message to all of us is, come up, O lions, and shake off the delusion that you are sheep. You are not matter, matter is your servant, not you, the servants of matter. So let us be brave. Swami Vivekananda untiringly conveyed the message of strength and bravery to all through the following message. The infinite strength of the world is yours. Drive out the superstition that has covered your minds Let us be brave, whatever you think that you will be. If you think yourself weak, weak you will be. If you think you are strong, strong you will be. If you think yourself impure, impure you will be. If you think yourself pure, pure you will be. This teaches us not to think ourselves as weak, but as strong, competent, and omniscient. Through this message, Swami Vivekananda inspires us to be heroes. This is very true. This is a thing which should not be forgotten. Heroes alone enjoy the world. Show your heroism. Otherwise, you live a disgraceful life if you pocket your insults when you are kicked and trodden down by anyone who takes into his head to do so. Your life is a veritable hell here, and so is the life hereafter. This is my advice to you. Of course, do not do any wrong. Do not injure or tyrannize over anyone, but try to do good to others as much as you can. But to passively submit to wrong done others is a sin. Try to pay them back with their own coin then and there. If you cannot do that, how do you profess to be a man? So these are some of the inspiring messages given by Swamiji to build up your own physical courage. Thank you.